ever thought of seaweed as more than just a sushi wrapper? It's a common misconception, isn't it? We see seaweed, we think sushi. But what if I told you that this humble green marine algae holds secrets far beyond its use in your favorite Japanese dish? You see, seaweed is a superfood, a term we usually reserve for the likes of kale, spinach, and blueberries. But seaweed? Yes, indeed. This unassuming plant from the sea is packed with an array of nutrients and health benefits that can rival, and sometimes even surpass, those of commonly known superfoods. From vitamins and minerals to antioxidants and fiber, seaweed is a nutrient powerhouse that many of us often overlook. It's time we start recognizing seaweed for what it truly is, a potent source of nutrition and health benefits. Seaweed, an underdog in the world of nutrition, is ready to take the center stage. What if we told you that this humble marine plant could be the key to your health? And no, we're not pulling your leg. Seaweed, often overlooked and underestimated, is nature's unsung hero, brimming with a bounty of nutritional goodness. Imagine a plant rich in essential vitamins like A, C, E, and a range of B vitamins. A plant that doesn't shy away from minerals either, offering a generous dose of iodine, calcium, and iron. Now, picture this plant also being a robust source of antioxidants, those tiny warriors that protect your body from damage by harmful molecules. Yes, you've got it right. We're still talking about seaweed. These nutrients are not just fancy names on a list. They actively contribute to your health, aiding in everything from maintaining your vision, supporting your immune system, to promoting healthy skin. And the best part? All of this is packed in a plant that is as natural as it gets. Now that's a nutrient powerhouse you wouldn't want to miss out on. So, what magic does seaweed work on your body? You might be surprised to learn that this humble ocean plant is a veritable powerhouse of health benefits. Firstly, seaweed is great for your heart. It's rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and potentially lower the risk of heart disease. Secondly, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, seaweed could be your new best friend. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and can help you feel full, making it a fantastic aid in weight loss. Thirdly, seaweed is a digestive system's dream. The fiber content helps keep your gut healthy and regular, while the iodine supports a robust metabolism. Lastly, speaking of iodine, seaweed is one of the best natural sources of this essential mineral, which is critical for proper thyroid function. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the health benefits of seaweed. Ready to harness the power of seaweed in your diet? This aquatic superfood can easily find its way into your everyday meals, adding not only a unique flavor, but also a wealth of nutrients. One of the simplest ways to incorporate seaweed is by adding it to your salads. A sprinkle of dried seaweed can provide a delightful crunch, while fresh seaweed can offer a succulent texture. How about a warm bowl of soup? Seaweed is a common ingredient in many Asian soups, providing depth to the broth and enhancing its savory notes. And let's not forget about smoothies. A small amount of powdered seaweed can boost your smoothie's nutrient profile without altering its taste significantly. Don't be afraid to get creative in your kitchen. Experiment with different types of seaweed and various recipes. The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself. With seaweed, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're adding life to your years.